Ninja fam, I've spent the last 3 months in the new UKG wave just studying the synths, studying the swing. After figuring all that out, I've created a new pack for you guys called OMEN. Now, OMEN is built around 115 Serum 2 presets, taking inspiration from this new wave of UKG, but also paying respect to the past. It's gonna contain modular drums, bass lines, synth loops, vocal phrases, and effects. All painstakingly designed to make sure it hits where it matters. Trust, a lot of referencing was done on different headphones to make sure that you're not left up there going, why doesn't my track hit? Now let me tell you why I made this new pack instead of making another tech house pack. And that is because I was reading this book, The 50th Law by 50 Cent. And one of the things it talks about is embracing the youthful perspective, being open to adaptation, being open to the way the world is changing. So it really inspired me to see what they were doing on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And UKG and Speed Garage is one of those things where I saw a lot of it. It's safe to say it's one of the most popular genres that is coming up right now. Now let me show you guys some of my favorite bass presets from this pack. First sound I have here is called Bring It Back, inspired by Riordan. Now this is definitely inspired by the young people. You can add a white layer in there. I had a session with a female producer that I showed a couple of the demos and tracks I was working on, and then she started giving me references with sounds like this. It reminds me a bit of that Chris Lake track La Noche with Skrillex. MPH with his new track Flex It with these 808-esque deep wubs. Popular melodic 7 sound. Nasty, bro, nasty. Hot up. Use that for the break. The streets of LA with a ball man, with a ball drop. Gotta pay homage to the classics. Without the old school, there is no new school, bro. Chris Lake, Sammy Verdi killed it with this bass. And we can add this mod that adds this insane storytelling grit to this sound. I don't know, to me that just makes it go like, ooh. And we can modernize it with mod 3 here. Now every patch you're gonna hear, you're gonna be able to click this plus button to see how it's intended to be used. The MIDI. Someone's moving the mods. Made that 7th bass a lot more fresher by just creating something big, fat. Mono it. Love it. Gotta keep it a lay on that. Got the Chami Don going hard on this. Here's one of my favorite ones. From Silva. This last part's nasty. Oh. Now some of my favorite leads from this pack. Live and direct. Now I love it at a lower octave. Check it out, check it out. So most people would sample out a stab to make something like this, but again, one of my biggest things with this pack was that I wanted to study what makes these sounds work. It's probably one of my favorite leads. Chris Lake, I mean, he's not on the younger side. He still has that young spirit in him, doesn't he? Vocal lead like this, for those of you guys that like to be in touch with the softer side, like Bullet Tooth. Telephone sound push. Of course, we have to add this one lead. With one patch, you can do a lot. We can add the mod here for granular using the Serum 2 engine. Some delay swag. This is probably one of my favorite ones. Again, sound with feeling for these breaks. Second choice. Woo! Those mods, baby. This is really like the stuff Riordan, Bullet Tooth are using right now. It's one of these sounds. Breakbeat it. Super beautiful. Relax your... Now, when it comes to the samples, OMEN's really going to be driven by the drum loop section. This is where I spend a lot of the time using my drum machines in order to create cool drums for you guys that aren't renamed from other packs, that hopefully have their own little vibe to them that can make you sound different. If you like, let's say, a top loop, you bring the top loop. There's going to be a kick name with the top loop. Let's say that the top loop might be like, you don't like the way something sounds in it. Maybe, you know, the rims or the snares are too loud. What you can do is you can just go into the hat loop, find the name of the loop, which is green, find the clap loop. I've also stemmed out the one-shots for you guys so that you can program these drums yourself. Maybe you find in the loop you like something about it. You can go in and find the individual drum. Bass loops are also going to be labeled for you, and the MIDI will be provided as well if you choose to remake it with a different patch. Are going to be effects. Scratches, crashes, ambiance. These were hard to make. How to get into the city with the little Tascam, you know, just standing there and people asking, "What are you doing, sir?" "Oh, you know, just recording your sounds." Can you breathe into the mic? Synth loops. And vocals with real humans.
Why you gotta be so complicated and crazy about you?
You even got me trying to rap.
Out of the cage, yeah, we're kicking the door. Drums in my chest, got me ready for war. Brand new wave, make them pay for the sound. They said crashing the sound, we're shutting it down.
To start me no riot.
Baseline culture. The original set the room on fire.
That's OMEN, fam. Hopefully you guys can hear all the hard work that went into it. And if you enjoyed all of the sounds that you heard, you can find this pack now over at EvoSounds.com. With that said, fam, let's kill it. And I'll see you guys next time for another video. As always, thank you guys for joining me and peace out.